Today, friends, topic is bonus shares issued by a company. The very important question sometimes arises in the minds of the investors in the capital market, that why the company they are issuing bonus shares and how the investors are also being benefited by issue of those bonus shares by the company. In other words, that why the retail investors or big institutional investors they will invest in certain company. The main purpose of investing of hard-earned money by the investors is to maximize their wealth. When the company is having huge amount of accumulated earnings by way of different funds and mainly free reserves, in that case, company may issue bonus shares from those free reserves, and it is just issue of additional shares to the existing equity shareholders without any additional cost. That is, the existing shareholders they can get the bonus shares from the company when the company issues bonus shares, that is declared and issues bonus shares. For example, India Energy Exchange Limited declared bonus shares very recently, and through postal ballot, Indian Exchange Limited declared bonus shares on 25th November 2021. Its record date of bonus issue was 6th December 2021. And on 8th December, they have actually issued those bonus shares. In case of issue of bonus share, there will be a particular record date. That is, on that day, those shareholders will be holding that particular share. They are entitled to get those bonus shares at free of cost. This time, India Exchange Limited issued bonus shares in the ratio of 2:1. This means 2 equity shares they have given for 1 equity share held by each existing equity shareholders of the face value of ₹1. This means, suppose one retail investor he is holding 25 equity shares of India Exchange Limited. In the ratio of 2:1, he will get 50 bonus shares and he will be having total 75 equity shares holdings in his Demat account. Actually, why the company they are giving bonus shares? This question may arise in the minds of the investors. There are two main reasons. One is the company is having huge amount of accumulated earnings in the name of different funds which are popularly called free reserves. From free reserve, company gives cash dividend a portion, and another portion company gives free equity shares to the existing shareholders to maximize their wealth. In that case, the company will have the total increment in the base of capital, number of shares. The capital fund will be the same, but number of shares of the company in the balance sheet will increase. That is, capital base will be increased, and as per the Companies Act, in the balance sheet, they will mention within bracket that this number of equity shares are issued as bonus shares for which no cash has been taken. That is, bonus may be given in two ways, one cash dividend, another in the way of free equity shares to the existing shareholders only. Now the question is, can company issue preference shares also with the equity shares? As per section 63 of the Companies Act 2013, it may be mentioned that it is not specifically mentioned that which type of share or which kind of shares company will have to issue under bonus issue. This means company can issue equity shares as well as preference shares as bonus issue under bonus issue plan or under bonus issue this declaration. Now, these shares are taxable in the hands of the shareholders? No. These free shares are not taxable in the hands of the equity shareholders. The interesting point is that when the company is declaring bonus shares, the current market price of the particular share also will be reduced, or it will be dropped to a particular ratio, in which ratio the company has declared bonus share. For example, India Exchange Limited was quoted at to be 750 rupees around on 8th December. And on 8th December, when India Exchange Limited had issued bonus shares in the ratio of 2:1, then automatically the price of the share dropped down to rupees 250 per share, which facilitated the other new investors to enter into the market. Actually, it gives an avenue to the new investors to invest in the market. That is, in other words, we can say, when the price of a particular share of a company is becoming very high and it goes beyond the reach of the retail investors, then companies, they try to issue bonus share so that the price of the share will come down and the new investors may be attracted to buy this share. More or less, this is the concept of bonus shares, and one point may come in the mind of the investors, that whether the company can issue bonus share without paying dividend in cash. No, as per Companies Act 2013, company without paying dividend in cash cannot give bonus shares, cannot issue bonus shares. That is, after paying cash dividend, if they have sufficient profit in their accumulated funds or free reserve, then company can issue bonus shares. Thank you.